Today, Avery got her package from Lilly Bird, and she's about to open it.
I really want to know what's in it. It was really packed really good, but my mom, she started opening it, because I'm not good at opening packages. I thought it was going to be brown. It's white.
Is it? You need to use the scissors?
Yeah, after I can get a spoon. Oh, marker, there's marker.
Be careful.
Look at the sticker.
Oh, that's nice. Okay. What's inside?
Look at that.
Oh, it's packaged really nice, huh?
There's
Their card?
their card, their business card. There's a letter. It's really long.
Here, we'll read that in a little bit, okay? Hurry, because I'm afraid the video will run out. Hurry.
Okay. Whoa.
What is it? Is it glow stick?
I don't know.
We'll have to see.
There's little dots at the bottom.
Oh, yeah. Cute.
I didn't even know those fell. They're like little rolls.
Oh my goodness, how cute.
Take one. Looky.
Little doll outfit?
Yeah, and then it's like a craft.
Yeah, what does it say? What's the title of it?
Mommy Pumpkin Fun. Peel back. Oh, they're like.
Oh, here, hold it up close. Oh, it's cute to do your pumpkins. Hold that up close. What is that?
It's a necklace.
Oh, how cute is that?
Or it's a necklace.
Yep, okay. Hold up the outfit really close up by your doll so we can see that. You gonna hold the outfit up? Oh, it's your first Halloween outfit. Yay.
This is hard.
Is it? All right, and then let's see the card right here. This is Happy Halloween. What's on it?
It says, have fun and safe Halloween. Always go trick-or-treating with an adult. I think it's like rules or something. Wear a proper fitting costume to avoid falls.
Mm-hmm.
Look both ways before crossing streets. Wear a glow stick or reflective tape so vehicles can see you at night. Always have an adult check candy.
Cute. And a glow stick. You know what? It's safe. It sounds like it's safety tips, which is great. Can you hand me that letter? Yay! Avery won a pre-lunch box. I'm so excited. This is really cute. And thank you for sharing with Avery. We can't wait to dress her doll.